Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss about conservative field. The field in which the total work done is independent of the path followed is known as conservative field. In other words, we can say that the work done in a closed path is zero is known as conservative field. The field in which the work done in a closed path is zero is known as conservative field. Now, why we say that work done in Earth's gravitational field is independent of the path followed? Let us consider an object of mass m is displaced with constant velocity from point A to B along various paths in Earth's in the presence of gravitational force. Now, this is point A and this is point B. So we want to bring object from point A to B along various paths. So this is first path, which is path 1, and this is second path, which is represented by path 2, and this is path 3, third path. So here, in this case, the gravitational force is equal to the weight mg of the object. Means W is equal to mg. This is weight of the body, and we represent it by W. The work done by the gravitational force along the path ADB can be split into two parts. This is part 1 and this is part 2. This is AD and this is represented by, this is point A, D, and this is point C, and this is represented by DB. Part 1 is represented by AD and part 2 is represented by DB. So here the work done along AD is 0. Work done along AD is 0 because the weight mg is perpendicular to the displacement. That's why work done along AD is 0, and the work done along BB is equal to minus mgh because here the weight mg is opposite to the direction of displacement. So the total work done along path 1, which is WADB, is equal to 0 plus into minus mgh. So WADB is equal to minus mgh. This is the total work done along path 1. The work done along path 1 is equal to minus mgh. Let this equation A. Now let us consider the path 2, that is a curve 1. Here this is path 2 and path 2, and this is path 3. So let us consider path 3, that is a curve 1. Imagine the curve path to be broken down into a series of horizontal and vertical steps. Here point A and point B. So here the horizontal steps the work done along the horizontal steps is 0. WHORI is equal to 0, because here in all these steps the weight mg is perpendicular to the displacement. That's why work in the horizontal direction is 0, and work done along vertical direction is equal to minus mg, because here work done is upward direction and mg is down. So that's why we take is minus mg into height, which is delta y1. This is delta y1 and this is delta y2, plus delta y2 plus delta y3 and so on delta yn. Here delta y1 plus delta y2 plus delta y3 and so on delta yn is equal to height of the object. So here this is y1 and this is y2, this is y3 and this is y4, and this total is yn. So total is height. That's why delta y1 plus delta y2 plus delta y3 and so on to delta yn is equal to height. So here W vertical work done along vertical steps is equal to minus mgh. So total work done means work done WAB along path 2 is equal to work done in horizontal direction plus work done in vertical direction. So WAB is equal to 0 plus into minus mgh. So it is equal to minus mgh. Let this equation be. WAB is equal to minus mgh. This is equation B. And if we consider the path ACB, third path ACB, if we consider the path ACB, the work done along AC is also minus mgh, because the weight mg is opposite to the displacement, and the work done along CB is equal to 0 because the weight mg is perpendicular to the displacement. That's why the work done along CB is equal to 0. So total work done means the work done along path 1 ACB is equal to minus mgh plus 0. So it is equal to minus mgh. Let this equation C. WACB is equal to, from all these three equations, all the work done along all the paths, three paths, WADB is equal to WAB is equal to WACB, which is equal to minus mgh. So here all the work done along these three paths is equal to minus mgh. That's why we say that the work done in the Earth's gravitational field is independent of the path followed. Thanks.